right, so travel, who doesn't love it, right? And we're diving deep today into the best travel tips out there from a couple sources that I think you'll find really interesting.
Yeah.
They're all about, that practical stuff that can really make a difference. But, and this is what I liked, there's a big focus on cultural awareness too.
Right.
And we're going to cover, pretty much everything from planning out that itinerary to packing like a pro and even, eco-friendly travel.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and by the way, there's this one packing tip I found. I can't wait to share it. It's so clever.
I'm intrigued. You'll love it.
I'm all ears.
So one thing that both sources really stressed was, understanding the culture of the place you're going to.
Yeah, even before you book anything.
Yeah.
Actually understanding it.
It's not just about, knowing what you should and shouldn't do.
Right.
It's about how that understanding, can lead to, way better experiences.
Oh, definitely.
And of course, it shows respect, too.
Yeah. One source had this great example about dress codes and how in some cultures, showing your shoulders or knees, it can be seen as just not appropriate.
Yeah.
And if you know that beforehand, you avoid those, awkward moments.
Oh, for sure.
And you're showing respect for the local customs, right?
Exactly.
I remember this one time I was traveling and, oh man, I totally offended someone without even realizing it.
Oh, no.
It was a cultural thing.
Oh, I've been there.
Yeah, total travel faux pas.
Yeah.
But it's not always those big things,
Right.
Even just greetings. I mean, sure, a simple hello works anywhere, but imagine if you could greet someone in their own language.
Oh, absolutely.
Even a few basic phrases.
It makes a world of difference.
Yeah, it can really break the ice, open doors to real connections.
Those little things go such a long way.
Totally.
And of course, both sources mentioned all the practical must-dos. Visas, local laws, transportation.
Right, the essentials.
And of course, checking those travel advisories.
Oh yeah, you don't want any visa surprises, that's for sure.
Definitely not.
One thing I loved was this idea of a flexible itinerary.
Oh yeah.
One of the sources talked about that I'm a planner, I like having a plan, but balancing that with, some spontaneity.
Yeah.
That really appealed to me.
It's a good balance.
Definitely.
There was this great story in one of the sources about a traveler who, they kind of veered off their planned route. And they just stumbled on this amazing local market.
Wow.
Ended up having this incredible meal.
Yeah.
And really connected with the vendors there.
That's awesome.
Those unplanned moments, they can make a trip so much richer.
Totally. It makes you think about all the times I might have missed out on something special because I was sticking to a rigid plan.
Right.
But even when you're planning those must-sees, both sources said it's crucial to think about, your interest in travel style.
Absolutely.
That makes sense, right?
You can make or break a trip.
Totally. It's about having a trip that's personalized and, fulfilling.
Exactly.
I like how one source even suggested using, online tools or even reaching out to travel bloggers who share your interests.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Yeah, to help you put together a better itinerary.
I might have to steal that tip.
Oh, totally.
So, ready to tackle the dreaded topic of packing.
Packing.
I know, right?
No matter how many trips I've taken, packing efficiently, it never gets easier.
It's a struggle.
It is.
But don't worry. Both sources had some seriously clever packing tips.
Okay, I'm listening.
First off, they both emphasized packing light and really thinking about the climate and what you'll be doing.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And those packing cubes everyone's always talking about?
I've seen them, but...
They're a game changer, apparently.
Oh.
Instead of just tossing everything in your suitcase, you can organize by type of clothing, outfit, even day of the week.
Huh. I never thought about using them that way.
Yeah, it's supposed to be super helpful.
I might have to try that. One source also suggested making detailed packing lists, which I think, for me at least, would be a lifesaver.
Oh, for sure.
I tend to overpack.
Packing lists are a must.
Definitely.
But it's not just about clothes.
Right.
There are those essentials we sometimes forget, important documents, like your passport and travel insurance, any medications you need, a first aid kit,
Right.
and of course, a portable charger.
Oh, can't forget that.
Got to capture those Instagram moments.
Exactly. And a universal adapter if you're going international.
Yes, essential.
Oh, and don't forget about money. Having some local currency on hand is always a good idea.
Definitely.
And if you can, get a credit card that doesn't charge those foreign transaction fees.
Oh yeah, that can save you a lot.
It really can.
So let's talk about, really experiencing a place.
My favorite part.
Cultural immersion.
Yes.
Both sources were full of ideas on how to, authentically connect with local culture.
I love that.
So going beyond the touristy stuff, right?
Absolutely.
They talk about trying regional cuisine, local festivals, exploring markets and artisan shops.
It's about getting off the beaten path a little.
Yeah, and connecting with the real heart and soul of the place.
Exactly.
Those experiences can be so powerful.
They are.
They give you a deeper understanding
Mm-hmm.
and create those memories that really stick with you.
Absolutely. It's about appreciating those unique things.
Right.
The traditions, the flavors, the artistry of each place.
And of course, respecting those customs and traditions.
Yes, that's key.
It all comes back to, that cultural sensitivity we talked about.
It does.
Doing your research beforehand,
Oh,
it can really make your interactions so much better and ensure you're being a respectful visitor.
right. Remember that tip about learning a few phrases in the local language?
Oh, yeah.
It makes such a difference.
It really does.
Shows your appreciation for the culture.
And helps you build rapport.
Totally. It's those little efforts that can lead to the most rewarding experiences.
Speaking of rewarding experiences,
Mm-hmm.
we should probably talk about safety too.
Yeah, that's important.
Both sources emphasized being vigilant, protecting your belongings.
Makes sense, especially in unfamiliar places.
Right, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of traveling,
It is.
but staying aware of your surroundings is key.
Absolutely.
And taking those precautions to protect yourself and your stuff.
One of the sources had a really practical tip.
Oh,
Registering with your embassy or consulate when you get to your destination.
well, that's smart.
Yeah. And they really recommended travel insurance, too,
Definitely a good idea.
for peace of mind,
Absolutely.
I always feel better knowing I have it just in case.
Yeah, me too.
It's about being prepared for the unexpected.
Exactly. And, just on that safety note,
Yeah.
they also said it's good to keep digital copies of important documents.
Oh, yeah, like backups.
Exactly. And emergency contacts, too. Just easy to access,
That's smart. I always have copies of my passport, visa, that kind of stuff, stored online just in case.
Really?
It's also good to, familiarize yourself with the area.
Oh, right, like where things are.
Yeah, like the nearest medical facilities, emergency procedures at your destination.
Always better to be prepared.
Totally.
So, one topic that both sources are really into was sustainable travel.
Yeah, that's become so important.
It really has.
I've been trying to be more mindful of that in my own travels.
Same here.
It's about, considering the impact we have.
Right, on the environment and communities.
Exactly. And one thing that stood out to me was, eco-friendly accommodations.
Oh, yeah.
Did you know there are, certifications and websites?
Really?
Yeah, to help you find hotels and places that, prioritize sustainability.
I had no idea.
It's cool, right?
That is really cool.
Like one source specifically mentioned, looking for places that have LD certification or are part of organizations like the Global Sustainable Tourism Council.
Oh, wow. I've heard of LD certification.
Yeah.
But I didn't know it applied to hotels.
Yeah, it's a way to make sure, that your choice of where to stay aligns with those eco-conscious values.
I like that.
Me too. Another thing they both mentioned was using public transport whenever possible.
Oh, yeah. Makes sense.
It's more sustainable, but it also gives you a chance to,
Experience the city like a local.
Exactly.
Plus, think of all the interesting people you might meet on the bus or train.
That's true.
You wouldn't get those encounters in a taxi.
Definitely.
One source even mentioned using ride-sharing apps. But the ones that offer carpool options.
Oh, right. For a more eco-friendly ride.
Exactly.
It's all about those little choices,
They add up.
They do. And speaking of choices, both sources were really big on supporting local businesses.
Oh, yeah, it's a good one.
It's a win-win, right?
Totally.
You get to experience the real local culture, the food, and you're directly benefiting the community.
It's a good feeling.
It is.
One source had this great example of a traveler who took a cooking class
Oh, cool.
from a local family in Thailand. So they learned to make these amazing dishes. But they also got a glimpse into the family's life and traditions.
That sounds incredible.
It was, according to the source.
It's about making those conscious choices,
Yeah.
right? Like
Yeah.
eating at local restaurants, shopping at markets, supporting those artisans who are making unique things.
It's a much more enriching way to experience a culture.
Totally, instead of just sticking to the tourist traps.
Exactly.
And then, of course, there are the leave no trace principles.
Right. All about minimizing our impact.
Exactly. Both sources talked about respecting wildlife, avoiding single-use plastics, sticking to designated paths when you're exploring nature.
It's about being mindful, right?
It is.
Leaving those beautiful places as we found them.
And making sure future generations can enjoy them too.
Exactly. Now, shifting gears a little bit,
Okay.
both sources talked about technology and travel.
Oh, interesting.
The whole other topic, right?
It is.
I mean, there's no doubt that technology has changed how we travel. From booking things to navigating new places, we have so many tools at our fingertips.
We do, but one of the sources brought up this interesting point about how technology can, well, kind of create a filter bubble.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah, like it can limit our experiences.
If we only rely on those algorithms
Right.
to tell us where to go and what to see.
We might miss out on those unexpected discoveries.
That's so true.
It's like having blinders on, only seeing what some algorithm thinks we want to see.
Right, instead of being open to everything a place has to offer.
I've found some of my favorite spots just by, wandering off the beaten path,
Me too.
something an algorithm might not have predicted.
Exactly.
One source had a great suggestion to actually designate specific times to, unplug.
Unplug, huh?
Yeah, just be present in the moment,
That's a good idea.
put away the phone, ditch the map, and just explore.
I like that.
Who knows what you might find?
Speaking of exploring, both sources also talked about adventure travel.
Oh yeah, the exciting stuff.
What I thought was interesting was they said adventure travel doesn't have to be, extreme sports or anything crazy.
Right, it can be anything that pushes you out of your comfort zone.
Exactly.
Challenges you in new ways.
One of them described it as a journey of self-discovery,
Oh, I like that.
where you test your limits and come out, transformed.
Yeah, that makes sense. It could be trekking through a rainforest, kayaking down a river, even just navigating a busy foreign city for the first time.
Right, it's about that thrill of the unknown.
And that sense of accomplishment
Totally.
when you overcome those challenges.
It's about finding activities that,
Yeah.
excite you, make you curious, maybe even reveal some hidden strengths.
I love that.
But of course, even with adventure travel, preparation and safety are key.
Oh, absolutely. You have to research the activities, understand the risks, take precautions.
Right.
One source even suggested looking for reputable tour operators with experienced guides and safety certifications.
That's smart.
And it's also important to, be aware of your own limits.
Definitely.
Choose adventures that are right for your skill level and comfort zone.
Don't feel pressured to do anything that makes you uneasy.
Exactly. Adventure travel should be exhilarating, rewarding, not reckless or dangerous.
Right, it's up having a good time, safely.
So one of my favorite things about travel is the stories we collect along the way.
Oh yeah, the story.
Both sources talked about, the power of storytelling.
To preserve those memories.
Yes.
And connect with others.
One of them described it as weaving a tapestry of all your experiences,
I like that.
reflecting the beauty and diversity of the world.
It's a beautiful imagery.
It is, and it's not just about sharing pretty pictures or funny anecdotes.
Right.
It's about capturing the essence of a place.
The sights, sounds, smells, even the emotions.
Yes, all of it. And then sharing those insights and reflections with others.
Letting them experience a piece of your journey.
Exactly.
It's amazing how a single photo or a story can transport you back.
It really is.
It keeps those memories alive.
And it can inspire others to have their own adventures.
That's the best part.
It's like you can almost feel the sand between your toes again, or smell those amazing spices from that market.
I know, right? And one source talked about how it's important to make sure your stories, reflect all the different voices and perspectives you encounter.
Oh, that's a good point. It's not just about our own experiences.
Exactly. Like, we should be amplifying the voices of the people we meet, the communities we visit.
It's about using our platform, right?
Ever big or small.
To share those stories that might not otherwise be heard.
And to shed light on, different ways of life.
And maybe challenge our own preconceived notions.
It's powerful stuff.
It makes you realize that travel storytelling can be, a force for good.
Absolutely, for promoting empathy and understanding.
Especially in a world that sometimes feels, a little divided.
Yeah, I agree.
And you know what I love?
What's that?
How travel storytelling can inspire others to have their own adventures.
Oh, totally. It's like passing the torch.
Yeah.
Encouraging others to explore the world with open hearts and minds.
It's about planting that seed of curiosity, right?
Showing people all the incredible things out there.
Inspiring them to create their own travel stories.
It's a beautiful cycle.
It is. It's funny how all these different aspects of travel we've talked about,
Yeah.
from the research and the cultural stuff to responsible tourism and even adventure travel, it all kind of weaves together
It does.
to create this richer, more meaningful experience.
It's about approaching travel with intention.
With curiosity.
And a desire to, really connect with the world.
I love that. As we wrap up this deep dive, I'm curious, what was the one thing that really stood out to you?
For me, I think it's that emphasis on cultural awareness. It just makes everything so much more enriching.
I agree. Well, whatever it was for you listening, we hope this deep dive has left you feeling inspired. Ready for your next adventure.
Safe travels.